Hello students, I welcome you in this session for ACCA paper PM F5 Performance Management, and I am your facilitator, your tutor Hanif, and this is my WhatsApp number. I do teach paper MA, PM, AA and AAA, but in this session we are focusing on paper PM F5 Performance Management, and this is the WhatsApp number of our administration of Escribir Academy. Now, the purpose of this session is to discuss with you people two important things. Number one, why do students fail, or reasons of low scores or even fail? And number two, live online revision webinars for June 26 intake. So let's start our today's agenda. Number one, reasons of low score or fail in paper F5 PM. Number one reason, what I have cracked down the reason of the failure or even low scores, because right after the results I had discussed with many students across the globe, because we have students from different other countries, and some of the important points I had highlighted over here. There is poor understanding of the concepts. That is the basic reason of scoring low or even fail in every of the ACCA exam or even any of your paper, right? So understanding the deep insights of the concept of the topic is very much important. Misreading the requirements, not identifying the command words like evaluate, discuss. What do you mean by the term evaluate? What do you mean by the term discuss? What do you mean by the term advise? What to write in the interpretation kind of a question? So that's a very important area in paper PM, performance management. Weak calculations and techniques errors. Sometimes students do not able to calculate properly, even they know the formula as well, right? Let's say for example they are not putting up the brackets in the required cell, and the multiply gets divide and the divide gets multiplied respectively. So that's also important point when you are attempting the CRQs or even MCQs and solving on your calculator. Writing irrelevant points, not relating the discussion with the scenarios. You know that writing too much will not give you mark. Writing the relevant points and relating the discussion with the scenario. If I can relate with the performance measurement type of a question, for example, you are having the case study and you are supposed to discuss or evaluate the performance of the given case study. So you need to you need to figure it out the important points from the case study and then apply to the relevant scenario. Time management. This is the very simple point in every A of the ACCA exam. For example, if you know the requirements very well, even and you are not able to complete the paper on time, so that means there is a problem in your typing speed. You must need to work it out on it. Not practicing the past paper, not using the ACCA practice platform. This is one of the important reason, because you should use the ACCA practice platform so that you will be able to understand the tools on it, and sufficient past paper practice is one of the key and important area to prepare well for the examination. And these are the reasons of lowest scoring, right? Because if you are not practicing on ACCA practice platform, so that's important thing to concern. Not attempting the assignments and mock paper for marking purpose. You know, if you are not submitting the assignment, not submitting the mock paper for the marking purpose, so the examiner will tell you the mark on the result day. So it's very much important to know your mistakes and improvise it before the exam. Ignoring two important documents. Number one, examiner report, and number two, read the mind of the marker. Now please note that this is a very important point, examiner report, because examiner had highlighted some important aspects. What were the common mistakes? You should not repeat those mistakes. So I will recommend you, all of you people must read at least 2 to 3 examiner most recent examiner reports and read the mind of the marker. What is the read the mind of the marker? It is a very important document, and I must advise all of you to read these two important documents at least 10 to 12 days before your exam. And read the mind of the marker is very much important document, because you are understanding, reading the mind of the marker, the one who is giving you the mark. What is his expectation? What students do in the paper and got filled? So this is a very important document. You must need to read these before at least 10 days before your exam, right? So read this at least 10 days before your exam. Okay, so 10 days before exam you must have to read these two important documents. Now let's go to the A second important agenda of today's session, that is live online revision webinar for June 26 intake on paper F5 PM Performance Management. I will be conducting live online revision classes for June 26 intake. The objective is to prepare you people well to pass the exam. And the agenda of live online revision session includes, we will be doing a quick recap of the concepts, calculation and interpretation drafting techniques, solving the past papers. We will be covering MCQs, KSOTQs, CRQs, all, and the important and the core areas to be focused on costing techniques, performance measurement. It's a very important area. Often students face a problem while interpreting and while measuring the performance in a given case study. So we will be discussing these areas as well. Budgeting and variances repeatedly, quite may be possible that you will be having a CRQ on these topics. Statistical analysis, also one of the important area of this of your paper. And decision making techniques. Often students feel complicated while solving this decision making questions, right? So we will be covering these important areas. So the schedule is here from 11th May to 18th May, 8 consecutive days, and the timings are 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time, and the students from other countries, check it out the time zone in your country. And in you must need to contact at our administration number of Escribir Academy. And I really wish you people good luck for your ACCA upcoming exam. Now see you in the revision, live online revision webinars. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.